Alright guys, so finally decided to share my projects here in YouTube, and this is my main one, my baby 94 530i Touring. I own this car for about 4 years now. Got it in California, which is meaning it's a rust-free. Kind of hard to find the E34 rust-free here in Minnesota. This is a nice example. So I got it absolutely stock, 3.0 automatic transmission, M60 B30 engine, and started to build it. Pretty much it's sitting on the jack stands for like a year and a half, but whatever, it's going. Currently I swapped the M60 B44 non-vanos engine out of E39 540. VF engineering supercharger kit with the Vortech V3 blower, 6-speed manual with a large case 315 limited slip differential, large axles out of our E32 750i, 6-speed manual getrag 420G with the E60 short shifter, really nice and crisp. Raised head engineering flywheel, single mass flywheel with a E34 M5 pressure plate and E46 M3 clutch disc. Interior is kind of under construction. It was gray before. I swapped it to black. New windshield is coming. And I did repaint the engine bay. So it was my pretty much very first project of painting. It's already dirty, but looks better than it was before. So the problem I'm running right now is the engine is blowing by. I have like a lot of smoke coming out of oil dipstick and the rings are leaking, so I gotta drive it, like heat it up, and we'll do the compression test. Otherwise we'll swap it to M60 engine. Lucky me, I have a whole junkyard here. Exhaust is kind of unfinished now. So it's a MagnaFlow muffler and an X-pipe. Eventually I will put a whole exhaust system, but for now, just to test it out, I put the muffler so it's not that loud. Let's try to start it. So as you can see, the engine is running really bad, probably because of the piston rings or something else. It's throwing oil into intake, like the catch can is not even helping. It's getting like a major blow by, it's flooding. We'll see what compression shows. If no, I'm have to swap it out for M60. But yeah, this is the first episode. Stay tuned.